Hello, my name is Laura Nicotolin. When I started my healing at Advanced Holistic, I really thought there was no help for me. I was in pain every day and it hurt to wake up, and I really thought there was no answer, no cure for. I thought I'd be in pain my entire life. They gave me a chance and they showed me that I will never feel pain again. And that's something that I can never give back to them. I can only just keep thanking them and just keep spreading the word on how it really feels good to feel good. Thank you.
My name is Reginald Reed. I have been going for treatment at Dr. Ray's office since January of 2013. I am surely happy that I started this service because it's doing very well to my body. I'm feeling much better. I've lost weight. I can walk better, eat better, sleep better. And I hope those of you who will be listening to these testimonies will make it a part of your life. God bless you all.
Yes, to anybody that's thinking about going to Advanced Holistic, I can't think of a better place that you'd want to go for complete health. I personally have been going there for 12 years. I went there to get relief from allergies, but since then it's been a lot more than that. I get the best adjustments from the best doctors, the best and latest nutrition. I happen to need traction, and I've gone through 3 different phases of traction, each better than the other. I've even done state-of-the-art programs like ASA balancing, and I can't stress enough how up-to-date this office is. Dr. Ray is always traveling around the globe getting the very latest in technology, and I would rate this office an A+.
Hi, my name is Andrea Williams, and I heard about Dr. Ray through one of the churches that's in my community. I was a health ministers leader for many years at my church, and I'm always doing health fairs, and being interested in health of myself and others, I invited Dr. Ray to one of these health fairs. So at this health fair, I was introduced, I learned about him. I found out for myself, I went to one of his sessions and I found out for myself that there's many things that he could do to help me. One of the problems that I do have in the capacity that I work, I use the computer a lot, and I found that I was having tension headaches, neck problems, and I also was having some arthritic symptoms to my wrist. So after being with Dr. Ray, going through the various sessions, this has been so beneficial. I have equipment that I use at home that they've sent me home with that has been beneficial. And I would encourage anyone that's having problems, it might not be my particular problem, but whatever problems that you might be having, you should make sure that you go to Advanced Holistic, or there's another one that I'm presently going to farther in Long Island. I can't remember the name right now, but it still belongs to Dr. Ray. I introduce to you Advanced Holistic.
Hi, my name is Linda. I have just lost 48 pounds. It's been over 6 months at this point, and I am intentionally eating different things to make certain that I'll go back and lose that weight that I have gained. It takes me, I go up about 6-7 pounds, and in 3 or 4 days, it goes off again. And I've mixed up different things. To lose 48 pounds and to be able to take a full 6 months to try different things and to keep the weight off is amazing. This works. It works for me. How about for you?
Hello, my name is Brad. I've had an amazing experience at Advanced Holistic Healthcare. When I came here a number of years back, I was actually able to overcome seizures that I've been having. The neurologist that I've been to is the best available. It told me there was nothing I could do about it, and I had to be on very powerful medication indefinitely, possibly for the rest of my life. The same type of medication needed for people with bipolar disorder. I wasn't happy about it, but there was nothing I could do with it until I came here. I was able to completely go off the medication and haven't needed to use those in a number of years. And so much nicer, life is so much better without those. And in addition to that, even more importantly, just being able to learn about how to build my health from the inside out, to empower myself and empower others, using all the tools available here, and just to learn through that education the true meaning of health, and not just have a real health care and not just sick care. It's been a really wonderful thing. Thank you.
My name is Mary Finnerty, and I'm here tonight to tell you all about my story. It is a true story, and I think you'll enjoy hearing it. When I first came to the Advanced Holistic Society healthcare program, I was tripping and falling constantly. I broke my nose, I broke my skull, I broke my ankle, I broke my arm, and I just couldn't figure out why I was falling all the time. The doctors couldn't solve it. I spent over $1,000 in the 1 year before I came to them, and nobody cured me. I walked into their office, and in 2 visits, Dr. Gus said, "Mary, your right hip is 1.5 inches shorter in the left one, and that's what we're going to fix." And he fixed it that day, and I haven't been tripping ever since. The biggest thing that happened to me is that for the past 25 years, I have been getting Botox injections in my eyes, in the eye muscles, to make my eyes be paralyzed open so that I could see. I was going blind and didn't know, nobody could tell what was wrong and how to fix me. So for 25 years, they injected me with Botox injections. And for that, I paid $1,000 every 3 months. Medicare and my insurance paid most of it. I paid about $200 every 3 months. Multiply that by 25 years, 4 times a year. And the pain and the suffering that you have to put up with the injections. Dr. Gus at Christmas said, "I'm giving you a Christmas present, Mary." And I didn't know what he meant. But he did. He gave me my eyesight back permanently. After that treatment, Christmas Eve, I never had another injection. I was due to have them the following week, and I have not had injections. My eyes are fine, and now he's fixing the watering of my eyes, which is almost perfect now, and that's going to be perfect by the time he's done with me. There is more things I could say, but I think that's enough for today. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Ray Finnerty. I celebrated my 80th birthday last Monday, and I drove my wife to the Advanced Holistic Healthcare 1 year ago, and I didn't expect to participate until I saw the results of the thermogram of my spine and the differences between the nerves on either side. I came with certain objectives because I have a curved spine and I have asthma, and I use about 3 medications. And one of my objectives was to eliminate 1 or 2 of the 4 medications. My wife tells me that I was stooped over when I first came to the sessions, and now I'm standing much straighter. I'm not punching her during the night. I'm sleeping better, and Dr. Gus is doing a great job in even helping me alleviate some arthritis in my fingers. So we, as I say, will be celebrating our first anniversary at the Advanced Holistic Healthcare next month, and we will continue to participate in the program. Thank you.
My name is Mona Dunn, and I'm here. I'm here to tell you how very fortunate I am, because it is only by divine intervention that I was able to find alternative treatment for all the many ailments that I've had. My personal life is separated from my professional life. I am thoroughly against modern medicine. I believe in naturopathic medicine all my life, and I have to fight
fight to be here at this point in time. I was introduced to this program by my friend Desna, and when I saw her, and I couldn't believe what I was seeing, because she was bent over, could not maintain upright mobility. And then she called me up and she says, you wouldn't love to see me now. Just within a month, I'm walking upright. And I said, tell me about it. And so she told me about this therapy that she went to listen to this naturopathic doctor, and she was convinced that he could help her. And in 1 month, she was walking straight as I am. Now, I have had several motor vehicle accidents. I had traumatic brain injury, and I injured my neck. And so I had compression of the spine, the cervical spine and the lower, and the lumbar spine. And I had terrible back pain to the extent that whenever I could only sit for a short time, and when I got up, I could not maintain upright mobility. I was in such excruciating pain. I went to listen to the presentation, and I was convinced that the Lord had led me there, because what I heard Dr. Ray presented, that was a testimony of my faith. I believe in divine intervention, divine healing, and God has led me to so many therapies in naturopathic medicine that I would love to tell my story, but time would not allow me now. But I can tell you, the first day I came to the center and I got that complimentary treatment, and I drove back all the way. I'm from Connecticut, and I drove back to Connecticut, and when I got out of the car, I found out that I just got out the car and I stood up and I was walking. I had no back pain. My back pain went. It was amazing. And so I know that divine energy flows through me. And it is because of that why my faith has healed me. And it's hard for me to tell. But anyway, I just want to say I had surgery and I had so much pain, a rope pressure under my arm. And since I've been getting this treatment, today I was able to pick up my pocketbook and put my arm behind me like this and pick up my pocketbook in comfort. So God be praised. Naturopathic medicine, holistic medicine works. I can tell you, I have been a nurse for over 20 years. And although I give prescription medication, I do not take it because it doesn't work for me. I am allergic to everything. I am allergic to everything that the doctor prescribed. I can take any, and I have taken all my vitamins and minerals, natural medicine and herbs. And that's why I feel so strong, so healthy, so full of life, so young. And the Bible says the time of a man's life is 60 years, but by reason of strength is 60 years and 10, and I am exceeding that. Thank you.